Hello, welcome to my channel, my very first YouTube video. My name is Jessica. I wanted to share with you today the yarn that I got at Hobby Lobby, their yearly clearance sale. It took me a few times going back to Hobby Lobby to finally find some clearance yarn, so I was pretty excited. So let's get started. So the very first yarn I'll show you is Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek Super Bulky. I don't tend to buy a lot of super bulky yarn. I really love a size 4 weight, sometimes a 5 weight, but I wanted to try and maybe change it up a little and get some more bulky. So this one has 70 yards and it's a 6 super bulky. This is 100% low pill acrylic. Normally $9.99 and I got it for $2.49. Now that's a pretty great deal. I'll just kind of show you that there. This yarn is very soft. I love it. In this color, I forgot to tell you the color, we have, where is the color? We have mauve, color mauve. I did get 1, 2, 5 of those. If I can even lift it. 5 of those. I found it very pretty. I love the color. I got some more bulky yarn. A Yarn Bee True Colors Super Bulky. This one is actually a Jumbo 7. I've never bought a Jumbo 7 before, but I was curious to try it. It's 100% acrylic, 30 yards, normally $10.99 down to $2.74. So, and the color is, let's see, the color, what is it called? Fall Forest. And it's a really, it's almost kind of like a shimmery color. If you look close, hopefully you can tell in the camera. Kind of hard to see, but it also has, you know, little bits of like a blue, gray, and tannish color in there, and I think it's really pretty. So I ended up getting 4 of those. And this next one is really pretty. It's the same kind of yarn as the last one. It is just a different color, called November Periwinkle. I absolutely love this color, so pretty. It's also got a like shimmer to it. It's almost like a blue and silver. It's very pretty. Have you take a look at that? Anyway, very gorgeous. So I ended up getting 4 of those. This is not yarn, but I thought these are very cute. I ended up getting one of the bags at Hobby Lobby. I really love the flowers on this bag. The colors too, they're just gorgeous. I thought maybe I could throw a project in there if I'm traveling or wherever. And this was normally $9.99 down to $2.49. So I thought that would be perfect for yarn projects. Another little thing I got was a little tape measure. Normally $4.99 down to $1.24. And it's just a cute little picture on there. And the other side says Yarn Rules. Definitely. This yarn that I got is called Yarn Bee Must Be Merino in the color Aqua. 227 yards, size 3 weights, and is 50% merino wool, 25% acrylic, and 25% nylon. I've heard of this yarn, but I've never tried it yet, so I'm excited to give that a try. I'll show that to you. It's pretty soft. I like it. I got 4 of those. The next one is Yarn Bee Spiness. I think that's how you say it. I could be saying it wrong. In the color gray. 350 yards, size 3 weight. Very soft, definitely soft. I got 3 of those. And then I got the color Mustard. I don't know what it is lately, but normally I don't like yellow, but lately I love mustard yellow, and I'm not sure why I'm drawn to it. This one was normally $3.99 down to $1.12. I think I forgot to tell you yeah, all of these, that's what that was for the spiness, if I'm saying that right. So 3 of those. Next one is Yarn Bee Forever Plush. This one is the color Ivory, and 169 yards, a size 4 medium, and 100% polyester. Very soft, this one is. It almost feels like, the yarn feels like butter, if you've ever tried that. That's what it reminds me of. I got this also in a different color called Blush. I thought those two would look nice together too. Very pretty yarn. Normally $4.99 down to $1.24 for those. We have Line Brand yarns. Let's Get Cozy Chanel Appeal. These are size 4 medium, 284 yards, 100% polyester also. This one is called Loden Green. Very, very soft. I mean, couldn't believe how soft they were, or they are. And it almost seems thinner than a 4-weight. I don't know, you tell me. It feels like it is. These were normally $6.99 down to $1.74. Some pretty great deals on these. All these yarns. I did get it also in a different color, in Rose Taupe. Very pretty. I even thought those two colors would work well together in a project too. Next one, we have Yarn Bee Chloe in the color Pine Forest. It seems these are pretty popular. I tried to go to Hobby Lobby a couple times waiting for them to be marked down, and then by the time I got there, they had been marked down, but all the colors were gone except for this one. But I was excited that I got 2 of them. It has, if I can find it, it's kind of hidden in there, 270 yards, and it's a size 4-weight. And the color it's really pretty. It's like different shades of green, if you can tell in the camera. And this normally $7.99 down to $1.99. So I was pretty excited to get these. Let's see, next up we have, I love this chunky, 109 yards, 100% acrylic, and a 5 bulky. And this one is in the color, it's called color Honey. It looks to me like another mustard yellow, so I loved it. I've been wanting this one for a while. I just didn't go buy it for myself, but now that it was $1.24, I thought, yep, now's the time. They only had 2 of those left, but I was happy to get those. What do we have next? Okay, Yarn Bee Sugar Wheel Cotton Solids. This one is in the color Tangerine, and normally at 335 yards, 3 lightweight, and 100% cotton, and normally $6.99 down to $1.74. I thought it was really pretty. They didn't have many of these sugar wheel cotton, well, sugar wheel anything left by the time I got there, but that's okay. So I'm just very thankful for the yarn I did get. Yarn Bee Romantique, 83 yards, 80% acrylic and 20% polyamide, 5 bulky, normally $5.49 down to $1.37. This is very soft. Yeah, I love this. So I ended up getting 3 of those, and then got some in another color. This color is also very pretty. It's purple, and I ended up, I was wrong. I got 4 of these because I ended up going back to get a 4th one of each of these colors, but they were already out of the purple. But I did get another one of this. Okay. Yarn Bee Pigment and Fiber Arcadian Sky. 630 yards, 1 super fine. I don't think I've ever crocheted with a 1 super fine before. And 60% acrylic, 20% wool, 20% nylon. Normally $8.99 down to $2.24. This is another one that I always wanted to, I always wanted to try these and maybe make a project with all the colors together, but I just didn't buy myself any. So I was pretty excited to get the deal, and I find these colors very pretty. And of course, I got another one in different colors, so I was very excited. This one is called Green Thumb for color. Very nice. Lastly, I always wanted to get some of their hanks of yarn, but usually they're taken up right away. We have Yarn Bee Authentic Hand-Dyed Blend. This one's called Harmonic. Normally $12.99 down to $3.24. We have 400 yards, 50% superwash merino wool and 50% lyocell. And number 1 super fine. This is very pretty. I got 2 of those. I love the colors. I wanted to get more, but that's all they really had left. And that is all I have for today. Thank you for joining me in my very first YouTube video. And if you like this video at all, if you would please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day.